Assalamu alaikum. I will briefly discuss STAR interview technique. STAR interview technique is a behavioral or competency based interview process. S stands for situation, T stands for task, A stands for action, and R stands for results. So the companies nowadays they are following this process. Earlier, it was being done in the development organization, especially in the United Nations. But now, most of the companies, whether these are local companies or multinational, they are following this process of STAR technique in their interviews for the candidates for any kind of positions. So, in a situation, there is a problem, there is a situation, there is an issue that needs to be addressed. When there is a question of task, it can be an assignment, it is a project, or it is a problem. Uh, when there is action, it is a decision, it's a meaningful or thoughtful formula or actions that are being taken to remedy the situation. And are the results, are the outcomes, or whatever has been achieved out of a situation where the decisions have been made. So the candidates they have to prepare themselves in a way that they understand the positions for which they apply. They should identify the competencies about which the questions will be asked, and they should keep the real time examples in their mind so that whenever a question is asked, they can refer to the real time example or situation and they can properly and appropriately quote it. So you need to understand the process. You don't need to memorize anything. You don't need to really, cram like a child or a student, but you should remember the examples. STAR is an interview process where you don't need to really memorize things. You just need to keep the real time examples, the processes in your mind so that you can quote them when you are being interviewed and a certain question is asked from you. So, as a candidate, you should try to prepare yourself in line with the requirements of STAR techniques that will greatly help you in your interviews. I wish you all the best.